Hey, foodies. Here's a mind-blowing fact for you. Did you know that the number of people identifying as vegans has skyrocketed by a whopping 300% in the last 15 years? Yes, you heard that right, plant-based diets are taking the world by storm. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into all things food-related. Today, we're exploring why social movements are fueling the plant-based diet craze and making it easier than ever to jump on board. Let's dig in. Transitioning to a plant-based diet isn't always a walk in the park. Navigating social norms centered around meat eating and finding plant-based options everywhere can be a challenge. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. But fear not, because social movements like environmentalism and animal rights are paving the way for widespread acceptance of plant-based diets. These movements are about more than just saving the planet and protecting animals, they're reshaping our food landscape. From major environmental organizations highlighting the benefits of plant-based eating for reducing carbon footprints to animal rights groups advocating for cruelty-free alternatives, these movements are influencing what ends up on our plates. Plus, celebrities and influencers championing plant-based diets are making it cool and accessible for everyone. Picture this, a major celebrity steps into the spotlight and publicly endorses the plant-based lifestyle. Suddenly, the world is buzzing with excitement, and the plant-based diet movement gains even more momentum. It's moments like these that truly shape how we think about food and lifestyle choices. In summary, social movements are the driving force behind the plant-based diet craze. They're opening our eyes to the impact of our food choices on the world around us and making plant-based living more mainstream. So, next time you sit down for a meal, think about the reasons behind what's on your plate and consider making a switch. We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts on plant-based diets and how social movements are influencing your choices in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the description for more videos and resources on this topic. Remember, every bite we take has the power to make a difference. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy eating.